Hey, good morning. It's Mark Weiss. Let's talk about attorney's fees provisions today. You know, an attorney's fee provision in a contract, one that says that in the event of a dispute, the party that is prevailing can be awarded or is to be awarded its attorney's fees. Why would you want one of those in your contract, and why wouldn't? You know, there's this expression, boilerplate, and many people think that just means, extra crap that's appended onto this thing, like your pinky is appended onto your hand. You already need that pinky. Well, it's not there for nothing, boilerplate. It's there because, and its name comes from, the protection built around the boiler. The hard iron surface meant to contain things while under pressure. In similar fashion, the boilerplate in an agreement is there to protect the parties. So, why would you want an attorney's fees provision, and why wouldn't you want one? Well, for most, it comes down to a very simple calculus. If you're drafting the agreement, which you should always be doing, another reason we won't go into that, but if you're drafting that agreement, or if you're then negotiating in connection with an agreement drafted by someone else, and you believe that the other side is more likely to breach the agreement, or put another way, that you are less likely to breach but more likely to want to enforce, then you should be in favor of an attorney's fees provision. Let's take a simple breach. Let's take a payer agreement and a breach in the amount of $20,000 by the payer in favor of your medical group. Under almost any circumstance, it wouldn't pay to file a lawsuit to enforce a $20,000 breach, because you'd be gobbling up more than $20,000 in attorney's fees to try to get your $20,000 back. But with an attorney's fees provision, there'd be some teeth. You'd evaluate the case. If it appeared as indeed you were entitled to that $20,000, and if it appeared that you were going to be able to collect it, you'd sue. And when you are successful, you'd receive both the $20,000 in damages plus your fees. Now, conversely, if you believe that you are more likely to breach, then you never want an attorney's fees provision in your agreement, because number one, you don't want to pay attorney's fees to the other side when you do breach, and number two, it will encourage them to sue you. So think about these provisions. They're not just there at the end of an agreement to tack some more pages on so your own lawyer can charge you more. They're there to protect you or to hurt you. Think about whether you want an attorney's fees provision, and think about what it means when the other side says they don't.